KAMSIN KN7116S Upholstery Stapler. Support for frequency adjustment. Compatible with continual firing. Hidden silencer to reduce noise. Compatible with 22-gauge firmware stables. Push the spring magazine switch and pull out the slider unit. Put in the stables with the opening facing up. Connect the air compressor. Press the side plate for normal single-shot mounting. Release to toggle the continuous firing mode. Rotate the frequency adjustment dial to control the speed of mounting. KAMSIN KN7116S can be practically applied to woodworking, leather attaching, picture frame making, wires or ropes fixing, etc. KAMSIN, make your job easier.